You should know that kung 4 out of 5 ng kids kulang sa iron, 1 out of 5 ng kids kapos sa zinc, 7 out of 10 lack vitamin C. Baka micronutrient deficiency. Can't you see? Hey, yeah, it's pretty clear. Kung siya'y sakitin, kung tatamlay-tamlay, walang ganang kumain, walang lakas o sign ng sigla, laging pagod like all the time. At pagdating sa class, di siya makafocus, di talaga siya ganyan. We have to make it stop. If he needs tibay,